Hey, this is Katrine with Easy Marketing. We're going to take a few minutes to look how to go through hundreds of photos in just a few minutes. Let's say you've been on vacation and you have hundreds of pictures to choose from. And we need to delete a lot of copies, and it's just usually a very time-consuming affair. But not any longer. If you have Adobe Creative Cloud, you have a function in here called Bridge. Open up Bridge, go to the folder where you have your trip photos, choose View and Review mode. In here with your left and right keys, you can go through all your images, and the images you want to save. If you find a picture you want to save, use the down arrow. You also have them to the left, right and left here. And when you find an image you want to save, you use the down arrow. And you can very quickly go through the images you want to save and just jump over the ones you don't want to keep. You can see how with the keyboard, I'm going to save this image, I'm going to skip this one, this is nothing, I like that picture. I'm comparing these three pictures because to the right up here I can see what's coming. So if I want one of the images of the bridge, I can go through and look at them, and I think this is the one I want to keep. I use the down arrow. I think I want to use this one. I love this one. I like this one. I don't care for this. Several different images. I prefer this one, so we can see how big the stone is. And within minutes, I can go through all my different images and just pick the ones that we prefer and like. So I'm going to keep love this picture. And this is how we go through all the pictures just in minutes, even though there are hundreds of them. And I'm going to choose this picture as well. And of course you will continue with all of them. You close this with the little X in the lower right corner or with escape. And as you can see that the images I choose to save, they are the ones that are not selected here. So the pictures we decided to get rid of are the selected ones. So by clicking on delete on my keyboard, I can now delete those pictures and send them to the recycling bin. And within just a few minutes, I've gone through hundreds and hundreds of pictures. And if I look back at the folder, here are the ones I want to save. That's how you quickly go through hundreds of photos and pick out the very best. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope I will see you again on how to from Easy Marketing.